Hey everybody, real quick video. A couple of weeks ago, Colin, who's got a YouTube channel, Colin Makes Stuff, he hit the 100 subscriber level on YouTube. And so to celebrate, he decided he was going to do a filament giveaway. So he drew a name of a subscriber at random, but that person never claimed the prize. So a week later, he drew again and I won! I was so happy. So what Colin said was, go get on Amazon and pick a spool of filament, let him know what it is, give him my address, and he would send it to me. So I went looking, and I had been seeing some people doing prints in kind of a marble style filament, which isn't really marble. It's more like, you know, someone spilled pepper in the white PLA machine or something. But I thought it looked kind of cool, so I asked for a roll of that, and today I got this nice little spool of this zero filament, and let's get it open and take a look. So that's kind of cool. It comes on a clear spool, so you can kind of see the speckled nature of the filament, and it comes with a resealable big Ziploc bag, so you can keep the filament fresh and crisp, or anyway, and keep it dry. I asked him to send me the STL file for his maker coin, because I wanted the first print in this filament to be his maker coin, just kind of as a token of respect and thanks for sending me the filament. So let's switch over and we'll work on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll slice that file and get it printed. We'll open up Slicer, Prusa Edition, and I'm going to throw his coin in there, and there it is. Let me take a look real quick at the filament and see if it gives me a temperature range. And it says print at 180 to 220 C. So I'm going to tweak this a little bit, and we'll print it at probably 185. That sounds like a plan. Let's see, filament settings, first layer. Let's make the first layer 190 and then the second layer 185. There we go. That should work. Come back over here and we'll export that. There we go. Okay, cool. So now that we've got that file sliced, let's put it over here on my Mark III. And I've actually got a folder in there that I keep my maker coins in, but I'm going to throw his in there too. So get that in there and wait for that to load in. There it is. So we'll get that started. I'll let it print, and when it's done, we'll be back and I'll show you the time lapse. Okay, so the print is done, and let's get it off the build plate. Okay, this came out really well. Check out those overhangs. This was printed with no supports. That filament did a great job. The back of this is like super smooth, and the curved part here is it came out pretty well too. All in all, I like the filament. I like the maker coin. Thanks, Colin.